Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the petrol tank from a 2007 BMW K1200GT. Now, as with most modern bikes, this is not the petrol tank, it's only the cover. The petrol tank is situated beneath all these covers. So it's quite a lot of work to eventually get to the petrol tank. Before you can remove these covers, you have to remove the fairing first. And to remove the fairing, you have to first unscrew these bolts. There's two up there, one over there, and then there's three here at the bottom. These are all torque screws. It's the T25 size that we're going to need. There's two up there. And then there's one over there and one there at the bottom. Yeah, I'm not going to bore you on and show you how to unscrew these bolts. Any idiot can do that. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, now that all the bolts have been removed, it's quite easy. Just put your left hand here and your right hand over here, and you just give it a wiggle and pull towards you, and the fairing will come loose. Luckily there is no electrical wires or anything connected to this fairing, so it's quite easy just to remove it. It'll just pop off. Okay, there we go. Fairing has been removed. This bike has got a massive servo braking system on it. Let's move to the other side. This one is a little bit more tricky. It's got two bolts here, one over there, and then basically it's the same as on the other side. Same down here, and the same bolts there on the inside as well. So let's remove these bolts and get this fairing off. Okay, now this side of the fairing has been removed. Now we have to start with the actual cover. There's a screw over there, one over there, and then there's a couple of hidden underneath the seat. So let's just quickly remove the seat as well. Okay, so here you can see the other bolts that I was talking about. There's one over there, one over there. Here's one underneath there, and one over here. Okay, let's remove those screws. But moving to the top now, the first thing we need to do is to remove these two screws in order to remove this cover, because there's a couple of screws below this cover. So when these two screws are removed, you can just lift the cover up. Okay, as you can see here, there's the screws that I was talking about. One over there, there, and those two over there. So that's the final screws that you have to remove to lift this cover up. Okay, there we go. The top cover is removed, and there we have the petrol tank. Okay, so here on the side of the tank, you see there's two screws, and then there's a bolt here. As you can see there, there's a bolt over here. It's just a bracket that has to come loose. It's got a little thingamajig in here that's holding the tank, and it's the same on the other side. Okay, so after you've removed those bolts, this bracket just basically pops out. There we go, and that's it. The tank is basically loose now. Okay, the next thing you should do is just disconnect this little pipe here. Otherwise you're not going to get this tank out. Let's put it over there somewhere. Okay, now as you can see, I've started pulling this tank out here. It's very easy. You just pull it here from the front. Just be careful. This little pipe does not have to be disconnected. This is a type of an overflow or whatever it is. It just goes to the bottom of the bike. But here you have to be very careful. You'll see there's a little silver
thingamajig here on the side. So all that you need to do is just push it, and you'll see it basically just pops out. This is very fragile, so be very careful with this. There we go. And then all that's basically left is just do these electrical clips. Right, there we go. Now it's just basically a case of just lifting the tank. Alright, there we go. Tank has been removed. I had unfortunately to use two hands. The tank is full of petrol, so I struggled a bit with only one hand. Now if you want to totally take the tank away from the bike, maybe you just wanted to fix something here at the bottom, then it will be better to just remove this pipe then. And there we go. Well, there you go guys. I hope this was helpful, and basically to put the tank back again, it's just reverse order, and that's it. Thanks for watching.